guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and I am an August 2024 bride. Welcome to my 3-month wedding planning video. There is a little over 100 days, a little over 3 months until my wedding. So I wanted to sit down and give a recap of everything that I have done and the things that I still need to do. I hope this video is helpful for you if you are also getting married this summer or sometime in the near future. I know I like watching this kind of content to see if I'm on track, to see if I'm forgetting anything, and mostly I'm going to highlight the differences here at the 3-month mark from the 6-month mark. I filmed that video back in February, so if you're interested, be sure to check it out up here. And that one I go more into detail from like whenever I first got engaged up until that 6-month mark and everything that I did. So it's going to be a chatty video. Make sure you have your beverage. I am drinking a vanilla iced coffee today. Sit back and relax, and if you love wedding content, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And also go ahead and check out some of my other wedding planning videos. I've done wedding decor hauls. I have done ideas for the bridesmaid proposal box. I did a dress shopping vlog, so be sure to check out all those videos. They'll be linked in my wedding playlist. And I'm going to be using this little wedding planner from Amazon. I got this shortly after I got engaged, but I didn't really start using this until the 6-month marking. It's a really nice planner. Again, in that 6-month video, I really go over more of the specifics on this planner and kind of review this planner if you're interested in checking it out, but today is going to be more of a highlight video. I have checked off everything from the 6 to 8 months to go, which is good. Now at the 4 to 6 months, the things that I haven't done yet are select music for ceremony. We are having a ceremony at a Catholic church and we're having an organist play, and so he gave me a listing of songs which I made preliminary selections. I put them together in a Word doc, highlighted the ones I wanted to use, but I haven't communicated them to the organist and to the church yet. So I can't really check that off until I do that. I still kind of want to listen to everything once more, and then I'll go ahead and communicate that over. But I don't think I can check it off quite yet. I feel like this is one of these things that I keep having on my to-do list and it keeps getting pushed off for other more pressing things. Another thing that I haven't done is decide on gifts for the wedding party. I did order the girls personalized bridesmaid bags from Etsy, and I have the robes which they'll be getting ready in. And I also did recently order the personalized bridesmaid hangers, but I want to get a couple more things to put in the bags. Design all other stationery, menu, order of service. I feel like I can't really do this quite yet. I feel like I don't have things finalized enough where I can, order things like that. So that's still something I need to do. Another thing that I can check off that I didn't have checked off last time is confirm final menu choices. In early March, we met with our venue and we did a tasting. We got to taste all the food, all the apps, and the cake. It was really, really nice and a really special day, and we decided on our menu, so that is good to go. Decide on wedding favors. I think I know what I want to do, but I haven't ordered them yet just because, again, it's something that just takes up a lot of space in the apartment, and already our office is like chaos with all the stuff for the bridal shower and the bachelorette and all the random things we've gotten for the wedding. So I think I'm going to order the favors probably in June, which I think that will be enough time for them to come, but I don't think I need to do that just yet. And then it says request marriage license. In Pennsylvania, your marriage license is only good for 60 days, so most people say to do it about 2 to 3 weeks before your wedding. I think I'm going to go about a month out from mine, just in case there are delays or whatever. So beginning of July is when I'm going to do that. 3 to 4 months to go. I don't have anything checked off here. It says order all stationery, menu, table names, and table cards. I have table numbers already, but like I said, I don't have the menu because everyone has a choice between 3 different main courses, so I'm not sure how that will work with the menu, if I will have to get different menus for everyone, or if I even want to bother with a menu. But I know we need to do place cards for people and indicate their entree on them, so that's something I have to order, but I haven't even sent out my wedding invitations yet. That's the biggest thing that I need to check off my to-do list in the next couple weeks. I started ordering my wedding invitation stuff in like early April, and it's honestly taken like a month for everything to come in. The actual invites came really fast, but I was messing around with like QR codes for RSVP QR codes online, and we ran into some difficulties with that. And then I decided to like add different things to my wedding invites. So everything is supposed to come this week. We're waiting on 2 more things, and I'm really hoping that next weekend I can just get everything sent out, because I'm actually going to Florida the following week. And then there's 1 week and it's my bachelorette party. So I really hope that next weekend I can just dedicate that to getting my invites out. And I do want to make programs for the wedding as well, but again, I'm not exactly sure the specific order of the events for the ceremony, so I'm gonna hold off on that as well. I did create a signature drink sign. Unfortunately, it had a typo in it. I spelled Prosecco wrong, and I have to reprint it, but that's no big deal. I've been printing like most of my signs for the bridal shower and things like that just through Staples on cardstock, and it comes out really nice. So I don't think you have to spend like a ton of money on printing. So I'll need to reprint my signature drink sign, and also I need to get a wedding welcome sign. But again, that's something I want to get kind of closer to the actual wedding so it doesn't get damaged or anything. It says buy outfits for honeymoon. I have one dress that I bought to go bridal dress shopping in. It's just like a white casual beachy dress, so I know I'm gonna bring that dress with me. And I might bring some of my outfits from my bachelorette as well, but I haven't bought anything specific for the honeymoon. I feel like I've been keeping my eye out for things, but I think still, because we live in Pennsylvania, I feel like there's still not like the full summer selection out in stores. I haven't gone shopping in like a couple weeks, so it might have changed, but I feel like as the summer goes on, I'll be able to get outfits for the honeymoon. So again, I'm not too worried about that, because I mean, I have a lot of like beachy dresses. I do want to have more of like a white capsule wardrobe, but again, I have things to wear if I don't find new things. It says purchase or make decorations for the day. Yeah, I'm getting a florist, so they're pretty much doing art decor, so I don't think I really have anything to do with that right now. Send formal wedding invites, like I said, something I want to do in the next week or so. Gifts for the bridal party and parents. I don't really know what I'm gonna get for the parents. Like I said, the bridal party, I am like close to figuring that out. Gifts for the bride and groom. Wedding dress fitting. I've had one wedding dress fitting and it went well. I actually don't need anything taken off the bottom. They're taking off some up here in the chest area, but other than that, that's really the only alteration I have. But I'm supposed to go 2 more times for alterations, or fittings rather, I guess. So they haven't scheduled that with me, but I'm assuming I'll probably get 1 more fitting, I would assume in like the next month or so. Decide on readings and who is doing them. I need to decide on the readings. We met with our priest 2 weeks ago, and he gave me a book for the readings, so I need to pick out those. I do know who is doing the readings. Create wedding playlist, choose DJ. We booked our DJ like last July, and I've started to add some songs to our wedding playlist. They have this like online portal where you can use and just add different songs to the reception, but I need to decide on certain things. Like I need to decide on our like entrance songs. But I did do like a must playlist and a do not playlist. I've already done that. Write your shot list for the photographer. My photographer says he doesn't do a shot list. My videographer says he'll set up a call with me sometime in early June, and we can kind of talk through the shots for videography. And then at the 2 months to go plan, it says draft seating plan. Yeah, that's going to be my July task. Write vows if needed. We're doing traditional Catholic vows, so we don't need to do that. Book beauty treatments, book hair and makeup trial, book wedding rehearsal. We already have that done. I do want to order invites. It says write your wedding day itinerary. I've already created a timeline for my bridesmaids, so I've done that, like the timeline for like me and my bridesmaids for getting ready, but I need like a full day for everyone because I know it's important to give like everyone a timeline. So select songs for First Dance. I'm pretty sure I know the First Dance songs. I definitely know mine and Nick's. My dad and I's is still a little bit up in the air. Break in your wedding shoes. I need to do that because I don't think my wedding shoes are that comfy. And then 1 month and 1 week to go. I'm not going to read through all those. That's still a little far out. But yeah, then you have like these countdown calendars here and everything to do for the month. And so these are some things that I've done. I booked my bachelorette flights. I ordered my bridal shower invites, sent those out. Ordered my bachelorette dresses. My bachelorette is in Nashville. Select the ceremony music. See, I just keep bumping that one along because it's not that pressing. Make tuxedo selections. We did that. Make payment to DJ. I have done that. Our DJ is 50% paid off, which is good. We sent out the bridal shower invites. I ordered t-shirts for my bachelorette party. We ordered the wedding invites, just not everything has come and we can't assemble them yet. We had a meeting which we planned a rehearsal dinner menu, so we got that finalized. I printed one game for my bridal shower. I need to print another game. I ordered a signature cocktail sign for the wedding, but I need to reprint it because it has a typo. What else do we have? I need to make my bachelorette goodie bags. I have them mostly done, but again, I need a couple more things in those. And then this planner just gives you like a lot of different tips, like about saving money and budgeting, and it just gives you like a lot of space to write out your thoughts, or like how you want to envision your wedding, things like that. But I wrote down like a big list of everything that I needed to do, and so I want to kind of go through these with you guys and see what I have done and what I haven't done. I also keep a running list on my phone. I definitely use the running list on my phone more frequently. Okay, I finally found my to-do list. I need to bookmark this. But since my last February recap, things I've done is I did order my bridal shower dress, and I just recently ordered a necklace to wear in my bridal shower. I want to decide on the QR code pick app versus like what type of QR code app I want to do. Do I want to pay for one? Do I want to just try to do something for free at the wedding so people can upload their photos? I still need to decide on this as well, but again, this is something pretty quick and you can set this up quickly. Not too urgent. My getting ready playlist is made. I feel like I'm just always tweaking it, so I can't cross it out yet. Rehearsal dinner playlist, I actually don't need to do this anymore because I confirmed with my rehearsal dinner venue that we're just going to use their music, because otherwise if I set up any of my own kind of music or brought in a DJ or something, there would be additional fees, and I was definitely not interested in paying those, so we're just using their music. I ordered a sign for the bridal shower and an easel, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things I've gotten so far. It's just really cute. I want to get a sign for the rehearsal dinner, a sign for the ceremony, and a sign for the reception. Again, kind of waiting till it gets a little bit closer to those things, because already like storing the bridal shower sign is, it takes up a lot of room. Dessert table sign, I feel like I need a little bit more for the dessert table. I do have these like gold letters that say love that I think I'm going to bring for the dessert table, but I need a little more. I did get a card box, which I'm using for both the bridal shower and the wedding. We need to get rehearsal dinner invites. Again, I feel like that shouldn't take too long because there's not that many people coming to the rehearsal dinner. I think we're inviting 32 people, but they do need to make meal selections, so we will have to send a formal invite for that. Wedding invites, I've gotten them. Guest book, I got my guest book from Etsy. Games for shower, I have them picked out, but I need to print a few more things. Favors for shower, I actually just did that literally yesterday, so we're doing cookies for favors. Favors for the wedding, still need to do that. Gifts to the bridesmaid, gifts for family, gift for Nick. Custom cocktail napkins, we got those. I love those as well. Custom cocktail sign, we already went over that. Ring box, I still need. Escort cards, I still need. Seating chart, I still need. Table numbers, we got those. Welcome bags, we actually just got those. I got them from Amazon. They're a little crinkled, but Meet the Perfectionist, I wanted to return them, but Nick was like, they're fine. So I think I'm just gonna listen to him and make it easier on myself. Got the hangers for bridesmaids. I ordered those about a month ago and they're still not here. I think I got a notification from Etsy saying they shipped, but I haven't gotten them yet. Perfume for day of, I went to Ulta last week when I was getting my hair cut, and I like looked around to see what kind of perfumes I was interested in, and so I made a listing, and I think I'm gonna go back and smell them a little bit more, but I think I've narrowed down my perfumes a little bit more. Cake knife, my venue said I don't need a cake knife. They said they have that. I know a lot of people online were saying don't forget your cake knife, but I'm assuming they get married at like a barn or somewhere like that, because our venue was like, no, we have a cake knife, you don't need to bring that. Lipstick for day of, I got that. My mom actually got me a Chanel lipstick for Easter that I'm going to be using. I just ordered the tray for detail shots from Amazon. It came really nicely. Champagne flutes, I'm hoping someone buys them for me for my bridal shower, but so far no one has. I'll need to get mimosas and Aperol for the morning of. Snacks for the party bus. We need to decide for the morning of breakfast. I got a bubbly bar sign for my shower. I got my flower preservation taken care of, which was good. That was a big thing. We got the bridesmaid bags. And then I want to get sparklers, glow wands, programs, and menus. So I think that is everything. Like I said, I'm going to be prioritizing getting the invites out, and I'm going to be having my bachelorette this coming month, and then it'll bring us to June, and that will really be crunch time, and I'll really need to get everything else that I need for the day of. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you if you are also getting married. Don't forget to check out some of my other wedding videos, and I'll see you next week. Bye.